In this video, I'll be showing you how to adjust any cabinet door that uses a 6-way hinge. There are 3 screws responsible for these adjustments. The first screw adjusts the door's horizontal position. The second screw adjusts the door's vertical position. And the third screw adjusts the door's depth position. First, let's look at how to make a horizontal adjustment. On this door, you can see the hinge side gap is larger on the top than on the bottom. To make this adjustment, using a Phillips head screwdriver, turn the horizontal adjustment screw until the door is vertically leveled. This adjustment may need to be performed for both the bottom and the top hinge. Next, let's take a look at a vertical adjustment. In this example, the space at the top of the door is greater than the space on the bottom. We need to adjust the door to a higher position to fix this issue. For this adjustment, with a Phillips head screwdriver, loosen the inset vertical adjustment screw on the bottom hinge, and then, supporting the door, loosen the top hinge vertical adjustment screw. With both screws loosened, close door and slide door up and down vertically, making sure the space on the top and bottom are equal. While supporting the door, open it and tighten the vertical adjustment screws, securing it into place. Lastly, let's look at how to adjust your door depth. In this example, the bottom depth of the door is greater than the top depth. To make this adjustment, use a Phillips head screwdriver to turn the depth adjustment screw on the top or bottom hinge, bringing the door to a level position. Close door to check your position.